Hello and welcome back to HardReset's Quick Godot. Today I'll show you how to add animated text effects. Let's begin. In this tutorial I will exactly show you how to add these effects, and we can start by, unfortunately, deleting the rich text label. And let's begin all over again. So first we want to add a new node, and it is a rich text label node. We can try to format it, and this is the text that we will be animating today. But I want to do this, and of course I'm going to disable the scroll active, and I will enable the fit content, so it's like that. Okay, so let's begin by enabling the BBCode, because otherwise our BB tags won't really work. But what exactly are those BB tags? Well, one of them is probably my favorite, and it's wave. The syntax works very, well, it's incredibly simple. You would just use the brackets right here, the square brackets, and then you can just go into wave, and all your text will be a little wavy. If you only want a part of the text to work, you can always go and close the tag using slash and then wave. And as you can see now, only good luck is animated. And if you want to learn about like very specific tags, and basically all tags there are, you can go into script and online docs like that. And we can go into search docs and type in BBCode. We can click using BBCode here. And this is the tutorial of BBCode and rich text label. Of course, Google documentation is, sorry, not Google, Godot. Documentation is as always amazing, so if you want to, you can read it. But we could go into text effects, and here you have all the different effects. For example, pulse, wave, tornado, shake, fade, and rainbow, which I'm going to show you right now because I do believe that rainbow is also pretty fun. And I'm going to rainbow our game dev journey. So let's go and go into rainbow, just like that. And we can also add few tags and like join them together. So I'm going to go into pulse. And now our little rainbow is disappearing like that. And of course, if you want to, you could add custom BBC codes and like custom BB code tags and text effects, but this would be a whole other tutorial. Make sure to leave a comment if you want that. And still, I do believe that if you just read through the docs, you should be able to do it yourself. You also have a couple of built-in options like ghost and matrix to do. So I believe that this is pretty cool. Anyway, that's all for the tutorial. I believe that you can take it from here yourself now. Leave a comment, like the video, and good luck on your game dev journey.